In this video, I'll show you how to delete a spreadsheet permanently from Google Drive. This video is really for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch it. I'm going to show you in this video. So open up your spreadsheet. So you can see it's my account that is currently here. This is how to do. So if I delete this, I'm going to be able to delete it also from my Google Drive because all of them are currently connected. So I'm going to come and I'm going to select what I want to delete. So let me say I want to delete this one. So I'm going to click on remove. So you can see I just removed it, but you need to do another thing. Click on this. You're going to be able to see bin. So click on bin. So from here, you can be able to come on here and clear everything permanently. So I deleted something now, and I think it's going to appear here right now. So I'm going to just wait for it to, okay, I'm going to go back to my, okay, I'll go back to my listing. So, okay, yeah, so this is it. So make sure you delete this. So I think I'm going to delete this now. Okay, so what you need to do, seems like, okay, yeah, exactly. So if you want to delete it permanently, what you need to do now, click on this, delete forever. You can also do it for the second one, and this was what I was telling you. You can see Google Drive is here, so they are all currently connected. So if you do this, you can be able to delete it permanently from a Google Drive as well. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.